Alright, so last video update, I said I was going to start working on the car, and it's now October and I need to start working on it. So the plan is to rip out the engine here, get the hood off, and start looking at all the leaks, check the fuel system. I have stock 440cc injectors still in the car, they're going to come out. I got to do the front main seal, the rear main seal. The W58 transmission's got to go. I got to put a CB009 in it. I have to decide on an adapter plate if I'm going to go with Collins or a local guy, Joe Miller, now makes a plate. I have to decide if I'm going to use his or not. I have to get a drive shaft. I have the TT rear end that has to go in. I have a bunch of shit to do, and I'm just going to record everything for you guys because I'm not sure how I want to document everything and kind of go over it. I really did want to capture pulling the engine out because I've been messaged, I don't know how many times where people ask me, what do you need to do? Where do you need to pull the engine from? How did you pull it out? When did you pull it out? How hard was it to take the harness out of the car, etc., etc. And I'll try to be as thorough as possible. My ADD is really, really, really bad. And as you notice, probably some of my videos, I kind of start over here and end up the whole way over here. One of my really, really bad habits. And hold on. I needed that. So yeah. I need to get working on it ASAP. If there's anything else you guys need to know, let me know in the comments below. If there's any questions you have or something you're having an issue with, if there's something I can find on the car myself or something I can maybe show you guys if you're having difficulty removing something on the car that has just been driving you nuts. You guys will be able to see the brake lines down on the car. I have stainless steel hard leads on the car that I made about 2 years ago now and aren't leaking, thank God. The first couple sets I did, I had a guy local, Austin Conrad, originally do the lines, and I was trying to do it the hard-headed way. He kept telling me, no, don't double flare stainless steel lines, it's a pain in the ass. I didn't listen. Finally went to a single flare and I had to redo all the lines again, so I should have listened to Austin in the first place, but you live and you learn. So I'll show you guys that also, but anything else you guys need, let me know, comment below, and I'll roll from here. Now we've got to figure out how to get the hood shocks off. So let's go look for some tools. Alright. Nope. No. Nope. Yeah, listen to Limp Bizkit. Fuck off, people. I don't care. What the fuck? Oh, duh, yeah, dude. Never mind. It's in here. That's what I needed. Just a little guy. Cockmonger. I got an idea. This doesn't do you much good. This fucking Craftsman shit is junk. I do need 2 people for this. This sucks. Ooh. Don't lose that. That'd be bad. Alright, now the shocks are off. Now I need my wife to come help me because I can't take the hood off without it. Or wait for Colt and those guys, but fucking impatient, so I'm not going to. now I have to take the engine harness out of the car, at least pull it up through. I'm gonna have to keep doing this installment, so if you see me changing clothes, it's not all in the same night. Yeah, I just don't have the fucking time. I wish I did, but I just don't. So now I gotta pull the engine harness up through. I'd like to try and do a couple other things. Grady Earhart's gonna drop off the engine hoist tomorrow night, which he was kind enough to do. Pull the engine out, have that all done hopefully either Friday night if we go out drinking. If we do, then I'll have to get it done on Saturday. Get that all done, and then start taking the oil pan, doing all that, checking all the gaskets. And then I gotta take the head apart because I gotta put new valve stem seals in it. It's amazing what a $20 fucking part will drive you nuts and make your car smoke and smell like shit. So that has to be done ASAP too. So I'll capture everything here and keep on going. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna get this and that all out yet. Still have a lot to do. This is gonna take me fucking forever, it feels like. Alright, now we've got to take the wiring out, which we'll see how well this goes. Flip that around. Yay, wiring fucking mess. That's all got to be fed up through. I'm going to leave the AEM Infinity in here, but all the rest has got to go up through, which sucks because it's not fun at all. I should have done a mil-spec connector looking back on it. I know, whatever, but it is what it is. I didn't know better, so now this got to come out. This big motherfucker is what controls the idle air control valve. This controls the idle air control valve in the whole car. Kind of shitty design. 6 pins just to fucking control that. Ford does it with 1. So I just used a 13mm socket to get them on, and a 13mm wrench won't fucking fit on them. Now how the fuck, god damn it, fucking finally. All that has to go to that fucking hole, and then right behind it has a perfect wall that goes the whole way down. Left no room to put this in there. Now I'm going to have to, before I do anything else, I'm going to check over every single wire because you never know if something pulled out. Check all the pins. Better be safe than sorry.